Hi there. Alrighty, so I am hopping in today to share another Google Drive trick with you. And this trick is pretty handy whenever you're sharing PDFs with other people using that Google Drive shareable link. Because we all know sometimes we share it and we want to make a couple changes and we don't want to have to reshare that link, especially if, say, this PDF is like a welcome packet and we have this in a welcome email that we send to clients, or if it's maybe linked on our website somewhere for some reason we wanted to use a Google Drive link to do this. There's a few different scenarios of why we're sharing a Google Drive link of a PDF. But in this case, I want to show you how to update the version of this Google Drive PDF file so that you do not have to share a new link for that PDF. And so this is a super handy feature because, like I said, if you've got this link in different places or people already have the link and you don't want to have to go send them a new one, this can be very useful. So let's go ahead and hop into my Google Drive. Alrighty, so here on my Google Drive, we are in our team folder, and I am going to be working with this PDF over here, which is actually our team welcome packet. And so this is a really super easy feature. Most people do not realize that you can do this, and it's really been a headache for them in the past. And most of our clients have been very happy to learn this trick. So I wanted to share that with you today. All right, so here in Google Drive, we are going to just right click on that PDF that we're going to want to update to the newer version. And over here, you have this pop out menu that pops out with a couple of different options, actually quite a few different options for you. But if you go down here towards the bottom, you see where it says manage versions. And so once we click on that, it actually gives you an option to upload a new version. So it does have like a note, like older versions may get deleted after 30 days. So if you do want to keep the older version, it kind of walks through a couple steps of what to do. Otherwise, you could just save it on your hard drive. But just note that. But for this one, I have went ahead and just downloaded the PDF and have like a current version of it ready to upload, just so we can kind of walk through the process. So for me, I'm not worried about if this gets deleted or not. So basically, if we had any other versions here that were still saved, they would be listed on this list. You could right click and download if you wanted to, maybe a past version. But for this, we're going to go ahead and click the upload new version. And I'm not sure if you can see my pop out, but it basically just goes to my folders, and I'm going to go to downloads and select the new packet. And that link has now updated with the new PDF. This is super simple and easy, and it really saves a lot of trouble resharing things with other people. So we don't delete anything, and you'll notice this now says version 1 here, and it shows current version here, sorry. Anyway, I just want to point that out. So, it saves you from having to delete something in your folder, replace it, and then share the link again. Just quite a few steps that you're not having to worry about because we're just replacing it right here. And honestly, the people who have been shared previously with it with you, they don't even get notified that the version gets updated. So if you do want to let them know, hey, check out this new version, you can email them. But anyhow, so it just keeps that process really seamless and saves you a lot of trouble on the back end. So anyway, all right, that is it. Like I said, it is a super quick and easy trick for getting a PDF updated without having to reshare the link with whoever has had that link previously. So All right. I hope you have found this helpful. And as always, I love to share helpful tips and tricks for keeping your business systems and tools, tech, whatever it may be, keeping those things streamlined and easy for you to operate in your business. So I hope you found this helpful and have a wonderful day. See you next time.